Hello students, welcome. And in this video we will discuss the follow-ups for describe a period when you were busy. So the first question is, are you often busy? Yes. My schedule is consistently brimming, nearly full with different pursuits, extracurricular activities and social engagements. I'm always actively engaged and try to do as many things as possible. Second question is, what are the advantages and disadvantages when people are busy? In my view, an active lifestyle cultivates a sense of accomplishment, it promotes, propagates also meaningful activities such as being an employee or employer can provide financial empowerment. However, an overabundance of commitments can lead to exhaustion and undue stress. Overabundance when there are way too many things. Third question is, do you think children should learn through playing games? Yes, I wholeheartedly advocate for learning through play, particularly during childhood. Play based education nurtures creativity, promotes, okay, and promotes problem solving skills in an organic and enjoyable manner. This approach removes rote memorization and high pressure environments. Rote memorization is when you try to memorize things without understanding the concepts. The fourth question is, what kind of pressure people may experience at work? In my opinion, there are a myriad of challenges at a workplace which can contribute to stress and burnout. It includes stringent deadlines, demanding performance expectations, and an ever present sense of competition, which creates a pressure cooker like environment. Pressure cooker like environment, it is very stressful and everybody is on the edge, they are very anxious. Okay. The fifth question is, how does technology help with time management? In my view, technology offers a vast array of tools designed to optimize time management. However, it is essential to exercise mindful usage to avoid the pitfalls of digital distractions and information overload. Sometimes we see many people scrolling through their phones all day long. Why? Because while technology has helped them in managing time through apps like Calendly, they are so engrossed in that technology that they cannot move out. Okay, they are always in the digital world. Okay, so this was the follow-ups for describe a period when you were busy. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button